Right. You know, it hurts right here when you push it on.
That's
right
really
here.
tight,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
There's certain spots that you might feel
Inflames to it.
yeah, so more tight.
Perhaps it.
That's good. Move your head. Neck, yeah. Okay. Yeah. You move. Okay, relax it. Another